In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, working on marketing material, or crafting a personal project, duplicating slides can save you time and effort, especially if you need consistency across multiple pages. Stick around and I'll walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, let's make sure you've logged into Canva and have your design project open and ready to go. Once you're there, you might find yourself needing to duplicate a slide to maintain a uniform look or to make subtle changes without starting from scratch. So let's dive into how you can easily achieve this. Begin by identifying and clicking on the slide that you want to duplicate. You'll see all your slides listed on the side panel on the left of your design workspace. Simply click on the slide of interest and that slide will display prominently in your main working area. This ensures that your selection is active, which is crucial for the next steps. Next, you'll need to copy that active slide. For Windows users, you can do this quickly by pressing the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously. Mac users should use the Command and C keys for the same result. This step essentially grabs a copy of the slide, much like copying text or an image in other software. The slide is now stored on your clipboard, ready to be duplicated. Once the slide is copied, it's time to paste it back into your presentation. To do this, simply press Ctrl and V if you're on a Windows computer, or Command and V if you're on a Mac. You'll notice that a new slide now appears right next to your original slide in the slide panel. This new slide is an exact duplicate of the slide you selected, including all of its elements such as text, images, and other design components. This simple method of copying and pasting is incredibly useful for creating multiple slides with a consistent style or layout. You can then go into the new slide and make any necessary edits or customizations, safe in the knowledge that the base design remains consistent with your other slides. And there you have it. You've just learned how to duplicate a slide in Canva efficiently. This technique not only saves time but also reduces the effort required to maintain a coherent theme throughout your project. Feel free to repeat this process as needed across various projects, and you'll soon find yourself handling presentations like a pro. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Canva effectively. Until next time, happy designing.